What are you doing with your time? What are you doing to help you to be in a place that is better than where you are now? So what happens is you got to put your mind or feed your mind with information, with things that's going to help you to position yourself better with the time that you have so you can be working toward it. I always talk about work, time, and money. And I have a concept. It's like where you don't have the time, you have to put the money in so somebody else can do the work for you. If you don't have the money, then you got to take the time to do the work, but so you don't have to spend that money. You know what I'm saying? But either way, you're going to have to decide what it is that you need, and you have to do it. If you don't have the time, you got to put in the money. If you don't have the money, you got to put in the time, because you got to do the work to get whatever it is. But either way, what you don't know, if you're struggling, if you're running out of money, at the end of the month, or you know what I'm saying, if you only have enough just to pay bills and every month you're breaking even, then you got to learn. Your problem is not having enough money, it's knowledge.